I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Face ID and Passcode, then enter your passcode. Once done, locate the option that governs power-off access while the phone is locked and switch it on so the device requires your passcode to power down. You do this because it prevents someone from turning off your iPhone to avoid tracking or Find My features. Make sure you confirm the change when prompted. This setting applies immediately and changes how the side button plus volume combination behaves. You now test the behavior. On the lock screen, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power options appear. Once done, instead of immediately seeing the shutdown slider, the phone prompts you to enter your passcode. You type your passcode, which unlocks the shutdown controls. Then you can tap Shut Down or slide to power off. This step ensures only someone with your credentials can turn the iPhone off, preserving location and security features. You finish by double-checking the setting in Face ID and passcode so it's still enabled. This confirms the change took effect. If the passcode prompt does not appear when you try to power off, restart the phone and re-enable the option, then verify you're running the latest iOS on your iPhone 15 because behavior can change between versions. If issues persist, update iOS or contact Apple support. Having serial number and exact
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.